Hi everyone, welcome to Sansan. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download your virtual background, including your virtual card QR code. So first, from the home screen, hover over to your name and click on Virtual Card. Here you can download your virtual background, including your QR code, name, company, and position. So please choose a design of your choice. Click on the background you want to download. Here you can see a preview of what the virtual background will look like. If you're okay with it, click on Download. So now the virtual background has successfully been downloaded, so let's go on to setting this for Zoom and Google Meets. So first open up the Zoom app and click on your icon. Then click on Settings. Click on Background and Filters. Then click on the plus button here. Select the virtual background you just downloaded. And now you're all set. To set a virtual background for Google Meet, click on Change Background here. And please add the virtual background you just downloaded from here. Here, it's mirrored, but don't worry, it will be displayed the correct way to your meeting participants. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and let us know if there are any other tutorials you'd like us to make. And thanks for watching!